The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment of Meghalaya has launched the Science Exposure Trip 2025, designed to enhance scientific curiosity among students and teachers. The initiative will expose participants to leading scientific research and innovation centers across India. The trip, divided into 4 batches, will visit key institutions in Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru. Highlights include visits to Science City in Kolkata, IIT and Birla Planetarium in Chennai and Bengaluru Science Centre. The trip aims to empower educators with hands-on learning tools and inspire both students and teachers to develop a deeper appreciation for science and technology. The batches will depart on January 6, 13, 15 and 28 this year. The Hinyo trip integrates